EqualWeb provides for us functionality we need. Our website is fully accessible for blind people as a resource of information. I think everybody should provide this functionality to their websites. I am Eugene Kirdzei. I am CTO of Nuwber.com. Nuwber helps citizens of US to find each other, find information about their neighbors, themselves, or somebody else. Accessibility is very important for every website. So to improve our website to be accessible was the next step. We Googled for the solution that could help us with accessibilities, and top result was EqualWeb. We interviewed, we got demos from all chosen services, and we decided that EqualWeb is the best for us. EqualWeb provides fast implementation. All our questions have been answered quickly. All bugs we found were fixed quickly. We don't need to pay for lawyers, for developers to implement everything needed to be compliant for ADA. It's a very good experience. I'm definitely recommend EqualWeb because we're happy with their solution. We're happy that we do not spend our time. So this solution is everything we need.